Hey, y'all make sure y'all subscribe to my man, Get that channel to like 10K, 100K. All them great numbers, man.
Hey, make sure y'all sub up to him, man. He gonna bring out some heat. For sure. He gonna bring out some heat, so tap into it, man.
AJ for the win. What's good, man? We in the building in Orlando. There you see it.
Shout out to AJForTheWin, man. Appreciate you giving us a video. Y'all make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, man.
2021, man. You started a YouTube channel, you know, trying to be like this guy one day. Trying to be like this guy one day.
What is up, YouTube? It's your boy AJForTheWin, back at it again with yet another shoe video. And today, man, we outside with it. Kicks for Your Soul, Joe's sneaker event here in Orlando, Florida, man. Yeah, man, we catching flights 2021. We going to sneaker events, sneakercon. I missed sneakercon, but I had to go to this event here in Orlando. You know, get a close up in on the hotel, man. Get a close up in on the hotel. You see it, Sheraton. You see it, man. Good vibes only. I went inside. There's a bunch of vendors in there, a bunch of shoes. We trying to cop some. Gotta cop some heat, man. Got some money on deck, so you know I ain't playing. You see it, man. Something light. We gonna see what we like in there. I got my eyes on a couple Grails. I'm not trying to get no GRs, man. We trying to cop some Grails, no cap. Some off-whites, maybe some not trophy rules, not yet. But you know we gonna cop some. But anyway, man, drip check, man, drip check. So we got the watch on, something slight, you know, got the earrings on, got a white tee on with the little fanny pack right here, denim jacket, even though it's hot, but you know, stay dripped out, you feel me? Got the shorts on, and look on feet, man, look on feet. Ooh, on DS. As you can see, the off-white 5, something slight, you know, nothing too crazy, Anyway, so we finna go inside. We finna see what they got the B-roll for y'all. Maybe we gonna see some other YouTubers, network with them, see what they got on their feet, stuff like that. So man, without further ado, man, let's get inside. Make sure y'all like the video, y'all subscribe, comment down below, turn on post notifications, because you know we are going crazy 2021. Other sneaker events on the way, shoe videos, you already know, every single release. It ain't nothing new, man. But without further ado, let's head inside, and I'll catch y'all inside. So let's get it. Let's go. We got YouTube letters coming in, man. Y'all probably already subbed to him. But you know, I seen him in the thing. I said, you know, pull up, just with myself. I appreciate it. Appreciate it, man. My AJ for the win. What's good, man? We in the building in Orlando. There you see it.
Have to pull up. Got the swapped out shirt. Got the swapped out look going on. Man, you see it on feet? You see it on feet? You see it? He ain't swap it out today. But normally you see it swapped it out all the time, man. I appreciate it. Man. So, I mean, y'all probably subscribe to him, but if y'all not, you know, I don't know what y'all doing. Because, you know, swap.
Hey, make sure y'all sub up to him, man. He gonna bring out some heat.
For sure.
He gonna bring out some heat, so tap into it, man.
So thank you again, man.
It's hard.
They 10.5 too. They my size.
Hey, y'all make sure y'all subscribe to my man, Get that channel to like 10K, 100K. All them great numbers, man.
I appreciate it, man. I appreciate that. So thanks, man.
Thank you. We got YouTube legends right here. You see it.
Shout out to AJForTheWin, man. Appreciate you giving us a video. Y'all make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, man.
Yeah, subscribe. That'd be great. But you know, y'all can already subscribe to them. But if you're not, you know, subscribe to them. So appreciate it.
Appreciate it, brother. Yes, sir.
Oh my God, Devintage, bro. We just met him. Yes, sir, bro. We going up, bro. 2021, man. You started a YouTube channel, you know, trying to be like this guy one day. Trying to be like this guy one day. So, yeah, man. Got size 11 right here. These are hard. I'm gonna actually buy these, no cap. I'm gonna actually buy these. Yeah. You said they're not? You don't like them?
I would never wear those.
Why not?
I don't know. I just wouldn't wear them.
You wouldn't wear them?
Those are hard.
My man had these on talking about they not hard. I'm like, why they not hard? Like, these are smooth. And I looked down, he got them on. That's funny. That's funny. That's funny. Yeah. I might come back to these for sure. I can fit into these. Look at the price though. 1.4. 1.4. So they can't be DS. Yeah, they're not DS. I don't know. They smooth shoe though. Better watch the last YouTube video. You know, I got these on deck. Make sure y'all check it out. Do you like these better than the OGs? Comment down below. This like 3 bands, 2 bands in my hands, bro. These are crazy. Size 12? Size 12. These are hard. One day, for sure. So guys, we are back at the hotel. It was a great sneaker event. Shout out again, Kfys for your soul. Shout out to all the YouTubers from Jumperman Kris, Devintage, Jada Sneaker Guy. He got kicks. All the other YouTubers that were there, man, y'all show love. It's crazy. One day, you know, we're gonna be big on our YouTube. We're gonna be just, you know, up there with them and stuff like that. You just gotta keep grinding. Make sure y'all sub to the video. Y'all subscribe, y'all comment down below, turn on post notifications, all that good stuff, because you know we're bringing them beggars, man, all 2021. Not the only sneaker event we're going to, and stuff like that, so stay tuned in these next couple months. We're definitely going to other sneaker events for sure. I didn't cop anything. Unfortunately, I was looking for the Off-White 5s, but they did not have it in a size 11. I seen a size 8, size 12, but no size 11, because, you know, I'm looking for it for the personal. But it is all good. It was definitely worth it, for sure. Again, shout out again, Kfys for your soul. It was a great sneaker event. But, man, that'll do it for this video. So make sure if you like the video, again, subscribe, comment down below, turn on notification bells, all that good stuff. And without further ado, man, you know, I'm AJForTheWIn, and, we out.
I just might pull up in robes, chopper make you hit the wall. Shotting got eye when I'm high, so they low. I ain't no Cherokee, but I told pose.